Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to write a program to replace a word with another word in a string. So here I am going to take a string. So this is a string example I have taken. So I will take two inputs and is word which I have to replace. And another is a input with which word I have to replace. Now I am going to write a small function to replace the word. Let us say this function name is word replace. To return that's what replace word replace. So here I am going to take two arguments. Total three arguments. Yes. Word replace. So S is the string I have taken. Word is the which word I have to replace. Replace is with which word I have to replace the word. Let's print out original string. Print our new string. So here I am going to send my string word and replacement. It will be written, the function returns the new string here, and I am going to print. Save this. Now execute. So what is the word I have to replace? Let us take hi with hello. So my original string is hi. And my modified string is this one. Here, all the hi words are being replaced with hello. So this is a simple function to replace a word in a string. Now I am going to take a file. So here I have created a file with name text file with some story. Now what I want to do is I have to extract this content from this file and replace a word with my desired word. And again, print the new modified story in a new text file here. Okay, that is delete this. So now this is an empty file. What I want to do is take the text from this file, replace a word, and save the new file, new text in this new text file. So let us write a program for it. So it's going to let's clear all this. So now first I have to open a file with this name text file. Text file. With read mode. Yes. It is alias. File is my alias to text file dot text. I will read the text from the I will read the content from the file dot read and save it to S. Now print as, let us see, it has extracted my content or not. Now you can see all of the content of the file has been extracted to S. Comment this. Now same word is equals to enter word equals replace on the first one with the replacement word. So now I am going to again create a function, small function that replacement s word replace return s replace replace. Now I am going to store this new modified story into my S name variable. I'm going to send it as string and replace it. Now what I have to do? I have to write this in a new text file. So again I will open new text.txt in write mode. In write mode, if the file name is already existed, it opens the file. If it is not existed, it creates a file with this name and then open it with the write mode. I'm going to take it as again a file. I'm going to write the content to file. So let us execute this program. So we'll go to the let us take the as a word replace with help. So let us see it is replaced or not in the new text file. This is our new text file. This is our old text file. In the old text file, it is a story of three little pigs. There are pigs. Now I changed this to hen. So all the pig has been replaced with hen. You can see it. Hen. Okay, so this is the program to extract a content from a file and then replace and then again write it into a new file. So you can do various operations when you extracted the file content from the file and do various operations and again write into same file or you can write into different file. Okay. So this is the program. That's all for you. Thank you.